Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Mac OS version in System Settings and make sure you are signed into the App Store. This matters because updates can require a minimum OS. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug into power to avoid interruptions. Make a quick backup with Time Machine or iCloud. Backups protect you if an update fails. Then open the App Store from the dock or Spotlight. This initiates the update process and lets you see available app updates right away. You now locate updates. Click Updates in the sidebar or your profile icon to list available app and system updates, because some apps require a specific Mac OS version. Read the release notes to understand new features and critical fixes. This helps prioritize. Choose Install for individual apps when you want control, or tap Update All to apply everything at once. Make sure to watch the Downloads area for progress. If a large update stalls, pause and retry to prevent partial installs or corrupted files. You finish by following any prompts to restart the Mac. Restarts complete installations and refresh system services. After reboot, open the App Store to verify that updates succeeded and check each app briefly to ensure functionality. If you encounter errors, go to App Store View My Account to check purchases and permissions. Sometimes signing out and back in fixes validation problems. If an update still fails, reset network settings, restart again, or reinstall the affected app from Finder. These steps resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.